Hello students, today we are going to learn about unbeatable super mom Mary Kom, class 10 3.5. In the earlier video we have seen about Mary Kom's exceptional achievements, okay? Then we have seen about her family background. Later we have learnt about her inspirational story. After that we have seen about her championship. Now in this video we are going to learn about interview. Okay, let's see page number 130. In an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastava, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. Okay, what now here? Exclusive interview. What is meant by exclusive interview? An interview published or broadcast by only one source. Okay, in the exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent, means reporter Taruka Srivastava. Okay, he conducted that interview of whose Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom, and she talked about her preparations for the Olympics 2012 Summer Olympics and her great joy. Elation means what? Great joy at winning the bronze medal. Now let's see the interview in detail. Interviewer asked the first question. First things first, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympics medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? The interviewer asked her, means she was the first Indian female boxer. Okay, so being a first Indian female boxer, has the feeling completely sunk in? Sunk in means realize and accept. Okay, so what was her answer? Mary Kom answered here, I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in. I am just so exhilarated. Exhilarated means very thrilled, very happy. Okay, when the interviewer asked her what was her feelings, okay, that she accepted, that she realized, that she gave the answer, she was really happy with her achievement, and yes, that she accepted, she realized, and she was exhilarated, means she was very happy by winning the bronze medal in the Olympics. Next question by the interviewer. You were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? She was the only female representative from India in boxing. There was no one in boxing. Okay, she was the first one. She was the only one. So, did that put additional pressure on her? Okay, that was the question by the interviewer. Mary Kom answered here, no, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew. She gave the answer that she was quite confident there. Okay, means she was very optimistic, she was very confident about herself, and she knew that she was the only one female representative from India in boxing. So that didn't here make any kind of a pressure on her. Next question by the interviewer. Your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Means when she was here selected for the Olympics and she was going to participate in it, that time Charles Atkinson, that was her coach, he was not allowed to accompany her to the Olympics. So how did that affect her preparations? That was a question from the interviewer. Mary Kom answered, well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. She gave her answer that really she missed her coach, Charles Atkinson. Okay, but thankfully, she was very thankful that they had already done her homework. That means he gave appropriate practice to her, he trained her properly, and because of that she was well prepared, but really she missed her coach. Interviewer: during your preparations for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? What is meant by sparring? Sparring means motions of boxing during training without landing actual blows. That means movings. Okay. And what is meant by contingent? Contingent means a group of people sharing a common feature forming part of a larger group, that is called contingent. So during your preparations, the interviewer asked her, during her preparations for the Olympics, she sparred with the male boxers, means whenever she needed practice, that time there were no women, so she practiced with male boxers of the Indian group. So who was her favorite sparring partner? The interviewer asked her. Mary Kom answered. At first she laughs. Okay. Well, I trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair. Here, Mary Kom gave diplomatic answer. At first she laughs, okay, and well, she later said that she trained hard in Pune. She practiced there, okay, and whenever she required a practice, the male boxers helped her. They were very kind enough to practice with her, okay, whenever she needed them. And so because of that, because of their helping, because of their what means actually whatever she needed there, means what kind of training, what kind of practice she needed, they were always eager to help her. So because of that helping hand, to name a favorite boxer, that would be not good for her. So she didn't take anyone's name here, she equally treated everyone. That means she, according to her, all the boxers are same. Okay, that kind of answer she gave here. Interviewer: you were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncture, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? Now let's see. Here the interviewer asked about Adams, Nicola Adams. Nicola Adams was the British boxer, okay, and she Nicola Adams was the opponent of Mary Kom. She was here. What the interviewer asked her? You were quoted saying Adams was very clever. Means here Mary Kom told that Adams was very clever. A counter puncture. Counter puncture means a tactical defensive boxer who relies on opponent's mistakes in order to gain an attacking advantage to get score cards or the chance of a knockout. That means counter puncture. How was she? Nicola Adams, clever, a counter puncture, but although she carried power, means how was she? She was very strong. But what happened here? She wasn't very tactical. Tactical means planned actions to gain victory. She was not here, means she didn't plan any action to gain victory there. And here Mary Kom, she was scoring, but what happened? The judges were not pressing the buttons. Okay. So the interviewer asked her, do you think that dodgy judging was part of the reasons for her loss in the semi-finals? Yes, that is the reason. Mary Kom answered here, yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and didn't work to my benefit. Means whatever the decisions were taken by the judges that were not here fortunate for whom? Mary Kom. They were unfortunate and so they didn't work for her benefit. That was her answer. Next question by the interviewer. Interviewer asked Mary Kom, India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics. Even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people, where do you think a change is required to get help us win medals that are proportionate with our population? Now, this is the question related to our nation here. The interviewer asked her, India managed here only 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, okay? And what's our population? Our population is nearby 1.3 billion people. So if we consider here medals and population, it's very less. So what is her opinion here? What she thinks here? That a change required to get help to win medals and that are proportionate with our population. Proportionate. What is meant by proportionate? That means correct or suitable in size, amount or degree when considered in relation to something else. That is called here what? Proportionate. So what kind of change is required here to get help to win medals? Okay, that is equally in size if we consider here our population. Mary Kom answered here, I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career. That is the first reason if we want more gold medals. She gave here some reasons, that are the reasons which are here what? Responsible for not getting the medals. So first thing she explained here that more and more people that they should have to take sports as a full-time career, and if they consider here sports as a full-time career, then definitely we will have more gold medals. Next thing that she explained here, more corporates means companies or industries should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. Sponsor, what is meant by sponsor? Organization that pays or aids sportsmen or a sports event here, okay, that is called sponsor. If companies or industries should come forward here and if they sponsor, that means they financially help any player, then the player don't have any kind of a financial pressure, and so that the player can focus on his or her game, and that is the second reason that she explained here. Now next question, interviewer asked to Mary Kom, do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? What's her opinion about that? That means the interest in boxing in India that will ever go beyond the Olympics? That was the question. Mary Kom answered here, yes, I am sure that in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year round, means coming soon. What? In future, she is quite sure about that within few years boxing will be very popular in India among the people. Okay, interviewers, next question, how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? These earlier questions we have seen about boxing. Okay, now this question is related to nutritional values. So here the interviewer asked, how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Are they really conscious about their nutritional requirement? Okay, diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Conditioning means becoming fit. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Yes, these were the questions by the interviewer. Mary Kom asked here. Interviewer asked Mary Kom, sorry. So interviewer asked what? Diet and nutrition, they are the very very important factors in our becoming fit or in our healthy life. For what? In the Olympics. If the player wants here to be healthy, then the player must have to take nutritional food. Okay, so what is her opinion about nutrition? That is neglected area in Indian sports or not? That is the question asked by the interviewer. Mary Kom answered here, the awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirement. means earlier situation and today's situation, there is quite difference here. Okay, so today they are quite aware about their nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports, and she here accepted that. Okay, what nutrition, that is means definitely neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kg since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kgs that I fight in. Means earlier she played in what 48 kg flyweight category, but she was now going to participate in the 51 kg flyweight category, and so for that she needed here to gain 3 kgs. Okay, when she decided here to fight in the 51 kg event instead of 48 kgs. So I had to focus on what to eat. Means she explained here, she answered here that she had to focus on what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat for gaining 3 kg. I gained weight by eating the right kind of a healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. Saturated fats means unhealthy fats. She needed here 3 kgs. Okay, and for that she should have to take nutritional or nutritious food, and she focused on that nutrition. Okay, and she took that kind of a food and gained 3 kgs. Okay, and because of that she remained healthy instead of taking that unhealthy fats. Next question, how big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? Now here the interviewer asked her about what that OGQ, that means Olympic Gold Quest. That what is the role of Olympic Gold Quest in her life to be as a boxer? Mary Kom replied here, Olympic Gold Quest really played an important part in my success. She accepted that Olympic Gold Quest really played very significant part in her success, whatever she was, because of Olympic Gold Quest. They helped me out whatever I needed something. Whenever I needed something, they took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. That means Olympic Gold Quest helped her whenever she needed something there. They always took care of her. Okay, and whatever helping she needed, they always tried to provide her, and so that she definitely focused on her boxing and remained stress free. That is the main reason here, to be as a stress free person. Next question by the interviewer. Interviewer asked here, what's your opinion on the future of boxing, Indian boxing? Means what will be the future of Indian boxing? Mary Kom answered here, the future is very bright and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us. What did here Mary Kom say? The future is very bright. Whose future? In boxing, Indian boxing's future is very bright, and she is quite sure about that. Many boxers will get medals for, means they will here work hard and definitely they will achieve here medals. Next question, interviewer asked here Mary Kom, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? Now here the interviewer asked her the question related to her family. The interviewer asked her, do you find it difficult? Means is it really difficult for her to convince her children not to fight when basically they watch her to go out and do it in the same manner that their mother did? Mary Kom replied here, well, I have twins. Means she here accepted, or she told here what the thing, it's really difficult. She told here that she has twins. Okay, and definitely yes, what's her answer? Yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep children under control. Means they go here out of control. While observing her means style, interviewer asked her next question, will you train your kids to become boxers as well? means what she has decided here about her children, about their career, about their future. Mary Kom answered here, I haven't really thought about it. Means yet she has not decided what to her children be in the future. As of now, just let their mother box. Means she here only thinks about what to box here. Means that she wanted here to continue her boxing and she has not yet decided about children's future. Interviewer, you have broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. You know that Mary Kom is a very famous boxer, Indian boxer, and she has broken several stereotypes. What is meant by stereotypes? The word is given here. Stereotypes means a fixed idea held as a common standard, and she has broken that standard idea, okay, that was here actually in the society, and she has shown with the help of her boxing to the world and to the nation that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? The interviewer asked her about her family activities. That is the traditional activity. What? Cooking. Earlier we have seen about her. Her family background is, means how was her family background? That was very poor, and she always used to help her parents in the farm activities as well as household activities also, okay. Mary Kom answered here, well, I am good at cooking and other household work too. What did she reply here? She was quite good at cooking and other household work too, because from her childhood she has done all these things. Interviewer asked her next question, would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? Means her future planning. The interviewer asked her about future planning. Mary Kom answered here, let's see, okay, that she will definitely look about that in the future. Maybe yes. What will be the answer? Maybe yes. She has not yet decided, but she is now thinking about that to be a coach, and definitely she will here motivate or inspire and give training to men to be boxers. Interviewer's last question, what do you prefer, being called super mom or super boxer? What she loves here, okay, the interviewer asked her. Mary Kom answered, I love being a mom. Means what does she prefer here to call her? That she liked here being a super mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me. That she accepted here. That is the best thing. What? Being a super mom. Okay. And she told that is the what? Best thing that has ever happened to her. Now at the end we will hear something, means what is given here at the last. We will see about her awards and recognitions, okay. Some are given there. Let's see. She was awarded by these awards. Arjun Award she got in 2003, that was for boxing. Padma Shri for sports in 2006. Contender for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award that she got in 2007. People of the Year Limca Book of Records that she got in 2007. CNN IBN. What is meant by CNN? Cable News Network. And what is meant by IBN? Indian Broadcasting Network. Okay. And Reliance Industries Real Heroes Award in 2008. Pepsi MTV Youth. MTV means Music Television Youth. AIBA, AIBA. AIBA means Association Internationally de Boxing Amateur. It is called International Boxing Association, means AIBA in 2008. Magnificent Mary, AIBA in 2008. Felicitation by Zomi Students Federation, ZSF, means it new at New Lamka YPA Hall in 2008. YPA means what? Yellow Pages Advertising. Okay, in which year? In 2008. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award she got in 2009. Last second one, International Boxing Association's Ambassador for Women's Boxing she got in 2009. And the last award she got for Sports Women of the Year, that is Sahara Sports Award in 2010. Okay, in this lesson we have seen about Mary Com's exceptional achievements, her qualities, her family background, her inspirational story, then her interview. Okay, and she has means here described, she has explained many things in the interview. We have learned in her interview about her family. Okay, means which one? About her children, about their aim. Okay, about her own aim. Okay, and then we have seen about the some thinking on Indian boxing. I hope that you have understood the whole lesson. Thank you very much.